curious though, what the hell happened? This valve is just down. Good Lord. There's certainly oil in the top end. So it can't be. It can't have flattened out the cam, because that thing at least would be clattering. And it'd be loose, right? And it's not loose. So I think I need to take this loose. Maybe I had this off the other day. Maybe I didn't get it down inside the hole. Let's see what happens here. It's fine. It's nothing to see here. I'm just gonna go find a hammer and for completely unrelated reasons, and tap on something, and again, completely unrelated reasons, and we'll try to do this again. It was kind of a miracle, you know. I was walking up the hill with my bent push rod, and I'd stumbled over something, and you'd never guess. It was a mostly straight push rod. I just happened to find it. So that, what a fortuitous event for me. So, all kidding aside, I'm pretty sure I had to take this apart because I was down a cylinder. Found out this bolt had broken off again, but it had broken off a long time ago. Anyways, I replaced that. I did this whole thing in the dark after working all day, and I'm sure I just happened to miss it. That's okay, they all seem to be moving. I didn't pull the coil wire. Let's go just climb in the old girl and see if we can get a starter. Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm sure glad to learn that nothing I did caused my problem. It was magic. Magic caused the problem, and big brain can here fix the problem. But I'll say one thing, for it's an old 67 Case Construction King 530, which, what I understand, means it's the 430 tractor body with the 430 loader and the 580 hoe on the back. Anyways, she's way overbuilt over there and underbuilt down here. Nonetheless, she does appear to be running again. Um, it needs a valve adjustment for sure, but doesn't seem to be any worse for the wear. I don't know. What I can tell you is when it comes to fixing things, I'm not my father. He wouldn't have missed that. But I did get it fixed.